Welcome to Longevity Industries' presentation of The Destiny of Manufacturing. I'm here on the University of Memphis. And I have with me today, my guest is John Sievers. John, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to be here with school and everything else and work. I know it's difficult to try and squeeze everything in, so I definitely appreciate you being here.
Yeah, no problem.
Tell me, what are the most important things to you when you look at a career in manufacturing?
Me looking at a career in manufacturing kind of is a little bit different than most guys that I'm in school with right now, is because this is kind of my second career. I spent 15 years in the Marines, and so I'm kind of a little bit older than most guys, so my outlook is a little bit different. Like, I'm looking for benefits. What benefits can I get out of a company that's going to help me with my family? And pay is a big thing at this point.
Excellent. Do you have any kind of a feel for what your expectation is when you get out as in this career? What your expectation of range of salaries?
Oh, yeah. So my junior year, I actually got internship with a company called Atlantic Track, and they do special track work for railroads. And going into my senior year, they offered me a full-time position. So I'm kind of know where I'm at, but before I got that, I was kind of expecting somewhere between the 65 to 70 range, and that's all going to depend on what area you go into. We're kind of lucky here because Memphis has a pretty large manufacturing community around. So
yeah, that's great. Do you have an idea as far as what kind of other benefits you mentioned that you were looking for? It's something from a benefit standpoint. What other benefits are you looking for other than just health benefits? What other benefits are you looking for?
The health benefits, dental, and all that stuff is a big thing. But also a company that values a work home life balance. Or do they care that how your home life is going? Because home life definitely affects how your work life goes. So I think a company that values their employees and their health at home benefits work life.
Right. That's a very good point. And a lot of times that's overlooked, and you're absolutely right. You got to find the right company. Do you think that it's more important to find a fit for your skills, or is it more important to find a job that meets what you want out of it? So to kind of the dividing line there is the technology aspect. Are you fitting into a position, or is the company fitting you?
I think it's better for the company to fit me, because what I can bring to a company they don't know as, a new employee. So, but if I can fit into a company, I can make changes, I can adapt to whatever needs they have, or new technologies, whatever comes. There's always the opportunity to learn that stuff. Whereas, and if you don't have the right employee, things can go sideways pretty quickly.
Sure. Do you, when you look at do you have an expectation for vacation or the ability to do things outside of their volunteering or other things like that? Do you have an expectation of when you go out there what you would expect?
I think the typical vacation time off, PTO, whatever that company offers, I'm fine with it. Coming out of the military, they had the best vacation plan ever, 30 days a year. You'll never find that anywhere else.
Right.
So I think as long as they have that option to where you can get time off if you need it to spend time with the family,
yes,
is great.
Good. Excellent. Do you think when you look at your career and look forward 20 years, what is it going to take you to get there? Do you think it's more training? Do you think you have to have the right company? What is it that you see for your 20-year plan and what it's going to take to get there?
I think the company plays a big part in it. If you're not with the right company, that's a long time to get there to see that 20 years. So finding the right company, somebody that values employee learning, development, that makes that 20 years look better. Because if you have a company that values educating their employees, developing their skills through continual learning, that makes things better. Not only does it benefit the company, it benefits the employee, whether they stay there 20 years or not. You're making that person better. And as an employee, you can feel that when a company cares about you. It makes you want to stay there longer.
Yes. If you were to look at these, what order would you put them in for you?
I would say, first off, ensure all feel invested in the company, because if the employees don't care about the company, they're going to do subpar work. So that is another one. I'd say following that, build a formal training plan. Improving employees improves the company. It's just the way it is. Provide regular and immediate feedback. Communication up and down makes things better. Foster communication kind of goes along with that. And then once you have all those things, creating a collaborative environment just falls right in place. So
Right. Well, it's the result.
it is. It absolutely is the result.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, I thank you very much, sir, for being here and for your dedication to the military. Thank you so much. It's been great to have you here, John. And I want to thank everybody out there who's listening to the show. We've been here live at the University of Memphis recording this, and want to hope that everybody goes out there and makes it a great day.